Good morning. Oh, we're here in the Philippines. We're actually here in February. Okay. We're in a relatively remote area of the Philippines. Asawa, she is going to make, what are you making today?
Ampalaya with egg.
With egg. It's very, very bitter unless you know how to cook it the right way. Then it's actually really good for you. It's good for your blood pressure.
Yeah.
But as you can see, this is really how simple the life is in the province. This is the real province. As you can see. We have the dirty kitchen. This is where all the magic happens, at least for the Filipino tummy. The CR, yeah, I use the CR. No, wait, no, this isn't the CR. This is the wash area. So typically, like, I think at 3 in the morning, the water is turned on. So what we do is we fill up all these buckets. Mom gets up and fills them all up with water, which takes quite a while. Soap here. I'm trying to figure out where the bucket is. Asawa, where's the scoop?
Tabo.
Where's the taboo? Oh, see. Let's see. Not that one. Not that one. Not that one. Oh, there it is. That's the taboo. You use this to wash yourself. You pour the cold water, I would say. Not real cold, but you pour it on your head, your body, and then you soap up, and then you rinse off with it. And to be honest, cold water is not so bad when it's 95 degrees outside. As you can see, earlier in the week, what was it? We had a very, very serious storm, very heavy winds. It seems that only one part of MASBATE got the worst of it all, and I think we were that one. Let's see. Now we go to the CR. And yep, I do use this because I don't have a lot of option. So basically that's where you go poo right there. Typically you have a bucket of water and the taboo, and you wash your butt after you're done pooping, and everybody's like, oh, gross. Well, you know what? Do you wash your butt when you shower? Yeah, of course you do. So what's the difference? Actually, you will save a lot of money on paper costs. Plus you're not polluting the world. It's not that bad. Of course, if you're a little taller, that short little toilet's a little bit of a challenge. Trust me. And then here we go. See, there's one of her brother's houses, her other brother right there. Now we're in the front. We have the road. This road goes to Don Pablo de la Rosa. And there's the kids inside the Sari store, just sitting there yakking. That's what they do all day long. Oh yeah. That's their day right there. Oh, very impressive thing here though. Look at these orchids. Yeah, they just grow. Simple. I mean, just impressive. So for the last 4 or 5 months we were in the dry season, which your daily temperature could be anywhere from 90 to almost 100. Your nighttime temperature right around 85, and it does get real toasty. It depends. I mean, you do get a little breeze, but Mom doesn't want to cut down any of the vegetation, so basically, if you don't cut the vegetation down, you don't get the breeze through here. Plain and simple. Don't know if you can see the pig over there in the distance, but he will be lechon this coming Friday for somebody's graduation, where she graduates on Saturday, but we're going to do it on Friday. We've been fattening him up quite a bit. At one time or another we were told, oh, he's too big to cook, and I'm like, there's no pig too big to cook. Hopefully we'll show you a little bit of the detail, maybe even some of the slaughter if you want to see it.
Can show you of the slaughter.
Yeah, actually you can. So Asawa, you have anything you want to say today? And then we have the Sorry store, the backside. Oh, they love to hide in here. So you kind of get an idea. She is shy. Actually, she's got 10,000 friends on Facebook, but she's very shy. This is where we sleep at night. Yeah, I gotta have the bug net. Why not? It's my only seriously luxury, and the air mattress the wife had to have, because she can't sleep so well on the floor. But oh, does it get so hot in here. It's like a tin can. But it is what it is. And of course the floor is so dirty because of the rains we had the other day. The kids have a tendency to just walk around in the mud and then walk over here where they're not supposed to. And this Asawa just lets them do it. She goes, that's life in the province. Diba?
Yeah. Don't show my tummy.
Oh, I forgot one thing. Let's see. So if you can see those power lines there, they've been there for about, well, actually for a little over a year now. They haven't been energized. So can you imagine living somewhere where they have no electricity, and it's been like that since, well, actually it's been like that since the beginning of time for this part of the province. No electricity and a road like this, so when it becomes highly muddy, it becomes a problem. Cell phone service, internet is piss poor. You're lucky if you can get reception. You may have to walk to a hill around here, and you might get a little bit of reception, maybe for 20 or 30 minutes, and that's really about it. So they have no clue, for the most part, what really happens in the world. You know, I bought them the solar light there. That's our pickup truck we came here with. Yeah, it's the real province. You know, just to get here, and the truck is literally over an hour drive. Quite a bit of it's actually, probably most of it is dirt, really serious rocky roads. If it's a heavy rain, it'll flood out, so you can't get through. It doesn't matter what you have. You know, people seem to think, oh, a 4x4 can go through anything. It can't go through this type of soil because it is very clay in certain areas. Let's see. Then I bought this recently. We'll hopefully get that installed. I do have the EcoFlow. I do bring when we come. We have Starlink, which we do use maybe 2-3 hours out of the day on the average. You know, it's the only way they get to really see what's going on in the world. Most of the time they listen to either music or they love watching their Korean movies. Unfortunately, they don't seem to understand what they're saying, but they like to watch them. We have a generator that we do power on, basically to give power or to energize the EcoFlow battery. So we do use that. I actually shipped that from the US through LBC. Never had any issues. Let's run over there snoozing. He's been a little under the weather. Of course, so is the Asawa Catherine.
You need to show the pig.
I showed the pig already. I showed the pig. I most definitely.
You did
But this is really what it looks like in the province with no electricity and very little cell phone service, if any at all. I mean, you can go into the jungle here, and it's pretty well to be in the jungle, and it's really hot right now, and very little breeze for the most part. Last night there was a 0 breeze, and it was beyond miserable heat. We do have a little battery fan, which helps, but trust me, when it's pushing 88 degrees at night, it just it's very small fan. Just doesn't help. And to run the generator at night would be extremely loud. I guess I probably brought way too much power. So yeah, it's just, unfortunately, it's a very remote area, and it's kind of like a little forgotten maybe. You know, the people are great here. We bought 4 bags of rice at, what was it, 50 kilos each?
Yeah.
How much per bag?
2,750.
Huh?
2,750.
2,000 pesos, 750
50 kilos.
for 50 kilos.
Nagdabok na ka mo?
Oh, I think it's time for a cool down. Yeah. Catherine the other day decided to, well, the chicken was in the kitchen. Oh well, he had a nice snack. So Catherine the other night had to get up in the middle of the night to go pee, and she went down the steps. Or were you going up the steps? The steps were down. She was going down, and she happened to fall. She didn't tell anybody. She kept it pretty quiet. She's got a big bruise on her butt, on the backside of her head. She seems to be okay, but I'm sure it definitely hurt. Let's see. Refreshing. That's how it's done. Oh, the asawa's gonna cook after the chicken poops somewhere.
I'm going to cook.
You're gonna poop again?
Cook. Asawa.
Oh, cook? Oh. Whew. So let's see, we have some of our coconuts. Nothing better than drinking fresh coconut, trust me. Oh, where's our pig? Whew. Yeah, let's see this hose right here. I assume you can see it. That is for the water. Basically, it's pumped out of a well somewhere. I don't know exactly where. That's the water they turn on every single night for like 2 hours, give or take. This is the trash pit here. Basically, you just have to burn everything. I mean, there's no trash trucks out here. There's nothing. There's no recycle. There's absolutely nothing whatsoever. It's just the way it is. You know, and until somebody changes things, which would cost an incredible amount of money. You know, this is just the way it is in the province. You know, and I'm sure people will complain about this and go, oh my gosh, but this happens a lot of different places in the world. You know, it's, you know, you live in the US or in Europe or wherever, you know, you have all kinds of sanitation and everything else. But in other countries, it's not necessarily like that. You know, I mean, you can go to like BGC, You can go to Makati. Yeah, they have services there, but you know, it's paid through taxes and everything else. You can't tax the people here. They don't make any money. You know, their primary food source is rice every single day, 3 times a day typically. And occasionally a little meat, maybe a little fish every day. Vegetables are more so expensive, so they can't buy them. You know, and it's like the pig there. I bought the pig, you know, for the graduation. Yeah, it is what it is. And then we have Sleeping Beauty Run over there. Oh yeah, he's playing chicken. Yeah, but he's over there. He decided to sleep there for the day. He's a little under the weather, I think. But this is it in a nutshell, you know. But I will tell you, the Filipinos are the most humbling, most gracious people in the world. You just can't, I don't know how to describe it. They're incredible. You know, you come to the Philippines, you don't have anything to be scared of here. Trust me, you have a lot more to be scared of in the US or even the UK, a lot of other countries, but here you have nothing to be scared of. You know, and people constantly ask, well, what's it cost to live there? Well, you have to come here and experience yourself and decide. Nobody can help you out with that. You just have to do it. Oh, he decided to get up. Oh, he's shy. He's going to run and hide. Oh, that's Manuk right there. Say hello, Manuk. Manuk stands for chicken. He gets a little upset when he has to take a shower or a bath or whatever. You're not done, Asawa?
Mm-hmm.